Did you know you could save hundreds of dollars on groceries every year by growing your own root vegetables at home? These nutrient-packed veggies are not only easy to grow but also incredibly rewarding. In today's video, we'll explore 10 root vegetables you can start growing right away to cut down on your grocery bills. Root vegetables are the backbone of many meals, from soups and stews to fresh salads and sides. By growing them at home, you'll enjoy fresh, chemical-free produce and reduce your monthly grocery costs. Plus, most root veggies are low maintenance, making them perfect for beginners. Potatoes are a staple in many households, and growing your own means unlimited access to this versatile vegetable. They thrive in containers, grow bags, or directly in the ground. Carrots are rich in vitamins and can be grown in deep containers or garden beds. They're perfect for adding crunch and color to your meals. Fast-growing and flavorful, radishes are ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. They're great for salads, snacks, and garnishes. Beets are a dual-purpose vegetable. You can eat the roots and the greens. They're easy to grow and packed with nutrients. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also rich in fiber and antioxidants. They're a warm weather crop but can be grown indoors in colder climates. Onions are a kitchen essential, and growing them at home ensures you'll always have them on hand. Start with sets or seeds for a bountiful harvest. Plant garlic in the fall, and by summer you'll have a generous supply of this flavorful and medicinal bulb. Plus, it stores well for months. Turnips are quick to grow and versatile in the kitchen. You can use the roots in soups and the greens in salads or stir-fries. Parsnips have a sweet, nutty flavor and are perfect for roasting. They thrive in cooler weather and store well after harvest. Ginger might not seem like a root vegetable, but it's a valuable addition to your home garden. It grows well indoors and can save you money on this commonly used ingredient. To get started, make sure you choose loose, well-draining soil. Provide plenty of sunlight. Most root veggies need at least 6 hours a day. Keep the soil evenly moist, but don't overwater. Practice succession planting to enjoy a steady supply throughout the season. Growing these 10 root vegetables at home is a simple and effective way to save money, eat healthier, and enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own food. Which of these veggies are you excited to grow? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.